Exercise 15. Strawberries are packaged in containers measured in quarts. A full container holds 4 quarts of strawberries. How many pins of strawberries are in a full container? Thankfully, College Board acknowledges that some of us, me as well, will not be familiar with these units of measuring, quarts, pins, so they give us the relation between them. So we know that 1 quart would be equal to 2 pins. Now, let's see what we've got. A full container holds 4 quarts. How many pins are in a full container? So 4 quarts would be equal to 4 times. Each quart is equal to 2 pins. So 4 times 2, obviously, it should be 8, which means that the right answer for this question would have been D.